options are of two types. There is call and there is put. Okay. Now, what happens in a call? Yeah, the call option, and what happens in a put option. Now, let us look at call option and put option. Okay. Let's first look at the call option. The buyer of the call option, I want you to have a look at this slide first. The buyer of the call option has the right to buy the underlying. And since he has a right to buy the underlying, the seller has an obligation to sell. Now, the person who enjoys right has to pay premium to the person who is performing the obligation. The buyer has to pay premium to the seller. Now, please tell me, when will I want to buy an asset? When I have a bullish view or a bearish view? Bullish. So, the buyer of a call has a bullish view on the market. So bullish is what I'm writing with B. Yeah. And who will want to sell? A person who has a bullish view or bearish view? Bearish. So the seller will have a bearish view on the market, which is what I have written by small b. Yeah. Now I will take you through the earlier slide. Have a look at this. Look at only call option now. We will come to put option later. The buyer of call option has a bullish view on the market, and the seller of the call option has a bearish view on the market.